Hey there, my name's Carl. I'm a software developer over at Michigan Software Labs, and I help write software and help people make apps every single day. Becoming an app developer is a bit of a different story for everyone. For me, it was a bit of a gradual warm-up. I was surrounded by technology, I loved to tinker, and I loved playing games. And so when I went to college, I thought to myself, hey, I could do this for a living. I eventually got my degree in computer engineering, which just culminated in my ability to learn how to write software and make apps. Applications development can be really fulfilling. We use applications every single day, they're all over the place, but writing them can be a bit of a puzzle. I know how to write code, but I don't know how to write code to do this new thing exactly, so you're always left to figure it out. You're exploring new territory, basically. And so when you think about it, you get to eventually get done, right? You put time into it, you figure it out, you problem solve, and then you look back at it and go, wow, that was me, I did that. I didn't know, but I learned. And when you just kind of look back at it like that, it's this really cool cycle where you just get to grow and learn new things all the time. A typical day in software development takes this process and repeats it a bunch. You're sitting in front of a computer writing code, but you're learning all the time. You're learning about the instructions you're writing, and you're learning about the tools that you have to write software. At the end of the day, you're really busy writing code, fixing bugs, reviewing code, getting reviewed, and then at the end of the day, releasing your software out in the wild. It seems like you would eventually run out of stuff to do, but that never happens. Writing software is an ever-growing landscape of problems that just need to be solved, so you're always on your feet. The moment you get something else done, there's always one or two more things left to do. It's just sort of this always dynamic landscape. You're always going to be doing something new every day. Writing applications isn't all about learning how to write code. I mean, if you go to college, you're going to learn. That's a big part of this job. But there's so much more to it. Oftentimes, you're working with somebody, you're collaborating, you're never alone, you're always working with somebody. And so whenever you're on a group project, you're actually building those really important skills. Being able to work with others is super important whenever you're writing software that connects us all together.